Hi, my name is Kelly Cooper, and this portfolio represents the coursework I have completed for my specialist degree in instructional technology. I currently have my bachelor's degree in applied psychology from the Georgia Institute of Technology and my master's degree in secondary education and initial certification from the University of Georgia. I am a teacher at Dacula High School, which is part of Gwinnett County's public school system. Out of our 22 high schools, Dacula is the second smallest in Gwinnett, with around 2,200 students. This is my 10th year at Dacula and in teaching. For the first 8 years, I taught math as both a special education and general education teacher. This is my second year as the emotional and behavior disorders special education teacher at our school. I am also the positive behavior intervention and supports, or PBIS, coach at our school. As part of that role, I created and implemented an intervention program for incoming 9th grade students who were at risk of not making a 10th grade homeroom on time. Our school has a continuum that we refer to for technology integration. On one side, there's a traditional classroom, and on the other side is the transformed classroom. My goal is to achieve the transformed classroom when it comes to teaching and student learning with technology. One of my first classes, 21st Century Teaching and Learning, really set the standard for the quality of instruction for my degree program. Initially, I was overwhelmed by the list of options for productivity tools and software, but it helped create a mindset for what I should be looking for and what I should be looking to accomplish. That class and the coaching field experience prepared me for what I should be doing as a technology leader and a technology coach in my school. The ELL field experience was also very important. I enjoyed working with my ELL students and finding new technology for them to try. I enjoyed working with them so much that this summer I added the ELL certification to my PSC. There were two major projects that really stuck out to me. The first was the WebQuest that I created for the multimedia and web design and education. It really got me hooked on what we were doing. I loved putting all the different pieces of it together. I have created several of them since that first one. The other project was the data overview and data analysis and school improvement class. I had never personally looked at our school data, much less my own data, that carefully. I learned so much about the data review process. After doing that one, I felt like it would be easier to take what I learned and apply it to all different types of student data in our building. There is so much that you can learn when you dedicate some time to it. I love data and numbers and would be interested in looking at our school data in other areas to try and identify important trends. I'm no longer satisfied accepting other people's synopsis of our school data. I have some flexibility in my schedule, and I plan to propose that some of my day be spent helping other teachers. I would like to help them implement new technology in their classroom and also offer to be a secondary facilitator in their classrooms when they try new things out. If the position in our school of an instructional coach were to be opened, I would love to apply for that job. Or we have LSTC, so local school technology coordinators. If either one of those two people left, that would be a position that I would apply for. I've also considered pursuing a position as an online educator, especially during the summer. I feel like after completing this program, I would be a top-notch candidate for anything like that.